Hello and welcome everybody from Dubai. This time we will visit a not so known, not so common sightseeing location. Well, I recommend this moreover for families because kids will love it. It is called Dubai Garden Glow, and if its name suggests, it's a very shiny, fancy, bright park which we will visit now, and also one of the biggest such parks of the world, of course. You know, Dubai is famous for the Guinness breaking records, so there are not many such glowing parks in the world which are so big. Over 500 nature-inspired installations and visual art illuminations await us in this park, so let's go inside and check it out. It's very fancy, as these statues, or I don't know, these illuminations twinkle in the lake. Very beautiful. Giant bunnies. As I mentioned, it's moreover for children, but well, if you like night lights, you can have fun here, and also it's good for couples. As you can see, giant hearts, and yeah, it's richly decorated. I can say that it's typical Dubai. And I link you also the vlog about Global Village, which is also very fancy and shiny. If you didn't watch it yet, it's somehow similar, but it has inside a lot of food stalls, and it's also famous about street food, so that's why it's recommended to go to Global Village. I love Dubai. And some advice how you can get there. If you get off at the World Trade Center metro station, it's on the red line, then it's just like 20-22 minutes on walk. Of course, this is the cheapest way to get here. And but I also wanted to mention that the Zabel Park is very close to this Dubai Garden Glow, so it's also an advice that you can maybe connect these two activities to visit both parks together. But well, you also need to be patient because both parks are very huge. So we are now concretely under the metro lines, and next to us we can see the very busy Sheikh Zayed Road. Now we'll enter the Dinosaur Park. It sounds unexpected, but here in Dubai Garden Glow we can also find the Dinosaur Park. The fans of Jurassic Park would absolutely love it here. Or the amateur paleontologists. Creepy. So this was the vlog about Dubai Garden Glow. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if that's so, please subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it yet. It's very important to push on the bell icon, because this is how you get notifications about the new contents. Have a nice day, have a good evening, goodbye.